Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.
The wheel trim rings have been powder coated black, and the center caps have also been blacked out. And last but not least, it's time to black out the lug nuts. The problem with this is, there's a wonky number of lug nuts on this thing. 6 per normal wheel and 3 for the spare, for a total of 27 lug nuts that need to be replaced. All the sets I found have too few, requiring you to buy 2 sets, giving you way too many extras. My solution to this dilemma would actually end up killing 2 birds with 1 stone. I started with this set of 24 black lug nuts. In case you're wondering, these are M12 by 1.5 large Acorn seat lug nuts. I'll have links to everything in the description below if you're interested. Here's a comparison of a new lug nut with a factory lug nut. I don't know how much it matters, but the new ones are 1 piece and the factory ones are actually 2 pieces. I've read that this can be an issue where I think it is the outer part of the factory lug nut can swell up and then can't be removed. If you know anything about this issue, feel free to leave a comment below. Anyways, if you did the math by now, you'll know that I'll be 3 lug nuts short, but not to fear. I also purchased a set of these McGuard locking lug nuts. So not only will the lug nuts all be black, but all the wheels will hopefully be safe from theft. I'm pretty sure I could get the spare tire off in under 30 seconds. I would think theft of Bronco spare tires would be an issue then. Honestly, this one was bugging me, and if it hadn't been for the color change, I would have grabbed some chrome ones on day 1 just to be safe. I know Ford sells them as an add-on, but I think this is the kind of thing that should come standard with the Sasquatch package. The key to the locking lug nuts takes the same 19mm socket as the regular lug nuts, which is nice. I was afraid I'd have to put a different tire iron or socket set in the Bronco in case of a flat, but nope, that worked out. Oh, and the locking lug nuts come with a series of stickers with the unique key code in case you need to order a new key. I ended up putting 1 sticker by the jack, 1 in the glove box, and 1 with all the Bronco receipts and paperwork I have filed away. I went ahead and changed out 1 lug nut at a time, and I only had 1 half-inch drive 19mm socket that I had to keep switching out between my impact wrench and torque wrench. According to the owner's manual, the lug nut torque specs are supposed to be 100 foot-pounds, or pounds-feet, whatever. Instead of me boring you to death by showing me changing out all the lug nuts, which would make you just fast forward a lot, I'll just let you use your imagination. The spare tire got the same treatment, but was obviously a little different. Besides the number of lug nuts needed, the lug nut torque specs, according to the owner's manual, is supposed to be 66 foot-pounds. So obviously each wheel got 1 locking lug nut, and wheels on the ground got 5 normal lug nuts, and the spare got 2. That meant that I ended up with 2 normal lug nuts left over as spares. Anyway, I think it was worth it from both an aesthetics and security perspective. But what did my wife think? Yep, she got her all black wheels now, which makes her happy. Well, that's it. Pretty easy, huh? See you later.